Okay, so we have all yellows on top. Our first two layers are completely finished. And kind of like in the last step when we looked for two of these top pieces that were the same color, that's what we want to look for. You won't always have two that are the same color, but more times than not you will. And in this case, they're both red. I prefer to match them up so that they're on the red face. It takes longer, but it's easier to keep track of what you're doing. And this is probably one of the hardest algorithms to memorize just because it is pretty long. The next one's very long as well, but for some reason it feels easier. And I don't know if I can actually walk through and say the algorithm steps for this one, but I'll try to slow it down as I go through it. So we have right clockwise, two up, right counterclockwise, up counterclockwise, right clockwise, again, two up, and it doesn't matter which way you go because two up is the same clockwise and counterclockwise. And then it should be left counterclockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, up counterclockwise, and then left counterclockwise. And what that does is it makes it so all these top corners match up.
Are you ready, Daddy?
If you have a situation where you don't have the two that match to start, you do that once and then you'll end up with two that match, and then you can line them up and do the algorithm again to get all your corners where they belong.